David back here for another video. Recently, got this sucker. Hell yeah. So, I also got that guy. Honda. Organized my garage currently. And I also reorganized everything here. So we have our Mac here, we have speaker, we have our car amplifier there, and our power supply here, 10-inch. So before replacing the 8-inch Sony, which is, damn, that's a tough speaker. Got some 25-plus-year-old Sonys here. Audi logo up there. A lot of Audi in this. A lot of Audi. Audi. Our bright ass light. Yeah, reorganized this, so I don't have to have that unit here with the speakers and crap. I have it all nice and tidy, all cables. Can charge stuff right there. Over here we have our power unit and a heater to sometimes heat the garage when I want it warmed up a bit. Light, garage opener, power outlet. Only one in the entire fucking garage. I hate that about this garage. Besides the one up there, which powers our Nest Cam in the garage door. Computer from running 95 with an AMD processor, I think. IKEA furniture, crap, helmet, scooter, Audi. We got over here our desk, which I'm planning on making bigger and having 2x4s as the legs. Snow thrower crap, safety crap, a little Bosch, some horsepower, made in the US. Our tiles are for the backyard, but it's winter right now. We have crap, I don't know where the hell that came from, it's just been thrown around. Car washing stuff, desk with crap on it, John Deere. Chainsaw box thing, just got more tools. I've been looking for tools all around the garage, hunting everything into this. Pressure washer. Let's put these guys away. These guys will go. Nope, they will go in here. So, I shall give you guys an overview. Also, I ran, there's little rubber grommets in here. So I ran from the orange power cord, I ran it all the way back here so that I can have a power cord going into here with a little extender on it. Nice and tidied up so it won't pull itself out. We have a little power extender here, which then charges our batteries for our drills and sawzall, or reciprocating saw. Corded drill for when these guys die. A little IKEA drill. That's the, well, we paid about $300 for this sucker, but we had everything for it. While this tool drops. Husky. Yeah, I think it's fine. So, in here we have an assortment of vice clamps. We have our pipe lock jaws. We have another set similar. More wire strippers, cutoff tool, thing, needle nose, shit, I'm forgetting the names. And here we have our sockets, and 1/4 inch driver. And here we have our wrenches and ratchet wrenches. Yep. And here we have our tapes, which is missing a mat, so that's why we have tape in here. We're getting that ordered though. We have our wrenches, or not wrenches, ratchets in there. We have our Allen keys in here. Metric and standard. Here we have nothing. Set of keys. These keys only work for the bottom. I'm missing the top one. So, close it. Oh, the drawers are closed. You can. Which one of you fucking open my doors? See, now. This and then this is a separate key which I don't have because in shipping it got ripped off. Dude. Really wish we got the one from Harbor Freight, but whatever. So in here we have our screwdrivers, all nice and tidy. Our bits running along the corner. In here we have our drill bits. In here we have our files. So I'm missing quite a lot for some reason. We have our air sockets and blow for angle iron, or angle, I can't remember. In here we have nothing, I believe, yet. Here we have miscellaneous. Here we have, down here we have hammers. The other tools are in that toolbox. And here we have our air tools. Husky, really shitty brand for tools, but it seems decent for their bins. Yeah, that's it. For here, got a Husky compressor there, Husky air hose. Things being organized slowly. Got John Deere tires here, and then random 10-inch tires, turf and non. Compressors, bins and bags, seat cushions for the back, buckets, 2 containers with bushings and crap in them, random crap. Anything down here? Oh, there's another hammer. Thing. Some stuff has to go on the screwdrivers. We have our oils and liquids in here. Blue towel. Lots of blue towel back there. Honda seat, Honda mower. Extension cords, power washers. Electric starters. Random shit. Engine plate. Vacuum. Random subwoofer. That's really it. Propane cylinder all full. Compressor. Yeah. That's really it, guys. Slowly cleaning this up. Not a broken ass shit. You know, you gotta have your random shipment of Arizona and bottles. Yeah, more crap. If I can stand on this. Okay. Desk, helmet, crap, light. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So yeah, battery station. I think that's it. Y'all have a nice day. Yeah. See you later, guys. Bye.